Hey up, mate. So tell us a bit about this car.
This is a little, well, Rover 100 with a 1.8 VVC engine in it.
Nice. Now I noticed it's got Lotus written on it.
Yeah.
What's
yeah. This engine was put into the Lotus Elise, so yeah, it was available from the Lotus Elise, and it's now been shoehorned into a little Metro.
Well, what are you expecting out of it?
I reckon it's got to be. Well, it's apparently been tuned slightly, so anywhere between sort of 165, 175ish, 170 would be be grand.
Let's find out. Well, it made 170. 170. That's good, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a little ripper.
It is a ripper. It sounds immense, mate. Absolutely immense.
Yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it.
Thanks for bringing it, mate.
More than welcome, mate.
Cheers, Rich. Cheers, Rich.
Mate.
What a car. Well, check that out. That's why it's a little ripper. Look how good that graph looks as well. Yeah, a couple of back-to-back power runs. 170 across the range there, pretty much. 148 foot-pound of torque. Yeah, no, sorry. 148 wheel horsepower, 136 foot-pound of torque. Another one in the bag. Look at that. Wicked. Can you imagine how much fun this is? Right, until next time.